Encountering error code 1001 in Roblox can disrupt the gaming experience for players. This error often appears unexpectedly, causing frustration among users attempting to enjoy various games within the platform. Error code 1001 within Roblox might signify an underlying issue related to connectivity, game server problems, or other technical glitches. Players might encounter this error when attempting to join a game, disrupting their ability to participate and engage. When faced with error code 1001 in Roblox, users might find themselves unable to progress within the game they are playing or experience frequent disruptions, hindering their gaming sessions. This can lead to disappointment and inconvenience for players who are enthusiastic about their Roblox experience. Addressing error code 1001 may require a thorough understanding of its causes and potential resolutions. However, navigating through this issue might not always be straightforward, leaving users searching for solutions or guidance to overcome this obstacle within the platform. Unfortunately, encountering error code 1001 can impact the overall gaming experience, causing interruptions and preventing players from fully enjoying the diverse array of games available on the platform. Seeking assistance or guidance from the Roblox support team or exploring community forums might provide insights or potential solutions for users grappling with this error, helping them to continue enjoying their Roblox adventures without disruptions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.